Everyone, it's Bonnie. Happy Sunday! I am back. I got some good videos for you guys. It is 8:01. I am late. Oh my gosh. This week I should be getting back on a normal filming schedule. There's been so much going on. As many of you know, I actually started a new job, part-time, just a little thing that I'm doing. My friend Lenny has been in town since this past Monday, and we've been filming a ton of stuff for his channel, Ecclesia Arts. He's been on my channel. It's so much fun to have someone do the hauls with me. I like doing, the reviews myself, but when I do a haul, for some reason, it's a lot of fun to have someone to talk to on camera. And it's funny, a lot of people ask me, bring your family on. And my family does videos once in a while, but it's just not their thing. They're not YouTubers. So oftentimes it's hard to get my family on. Lenny, on the other hand, loves coming onto my channel. And I love him coming onto my channel because he's got some really good insights about candles. It's funny. Him and I really have opposite tastes for the most part in the candles, and we have about like this much that's like a crossover. So I enjoy having someone who likes other scents. So that's a lot of fun. So he may be back for one more video. We'll have to see. But if we do it, we might do it tomorrow. I don't know. Then he'll be out of town for a while, and then he'll probably be back maybe September, October for some more videos. Oh my goodness, you guys, we have a lot to talk about. So today is the last day of Bath & Body Works Member Appreciation Days, and I'm going to do a wrap up. This is kind of a wacky event. So it wasn't like the worst thing, but it also, it wasn't like an over-the-top, like exciting event. So we started out on Monday. Everybody got a 10 off 30 coupon, which I think I still have in my wallet. Is it still here? Yes, 10 off 30. It expires tomorrow at 6 a.m. The problem is, if you're ordering online, it doesn't really give you that much of a benefit because it's really just like free shipping plus a couple of extra dollars. You're better off using that one in the store. I can't go in the store. That was the other thing that happened this week. There was a tornado. Lenny came into town. I was working. There was a tornado. There's no power at Bath & Body Works. There's like a lot going on. So I can't even go into my Bath & Body Works because there's no power. I don't think they're going to get it restored till the end of the week, too. So I also have more coupons. Thank goodness. Thank you to my friend Tina. She gave me her Bath & Body Works coupon. So I have some extra 25% offs to use for some of these new collections. I do have like the Copperfields, all that stuff coming. I did place an order. I got some more of the candles. So getting back to appreciate, I just went off there. Monday, we had the jammy debacle of 2023. We had the robe and the slippers. It's funny because a lot of people did order them. They got sold out. I don't even know if they're still available. Can you even get any of this stuff? I thought about afterwards, like maybe getting a robe just to show you guys. Yeah, they're gone. But I'm kind of glad they're gone because I'm not sure I really even wanted it. I knew we didn't want the jammies. The sizes were not inclusive. So it's kind of like, I don't know. I think they added a couple bigger slippers, but that was about all. So I was like not excited about Jammy Day. And then we had, I think the best day for me was the early access to, some of the newer stuff, like the Sweet Whiskey and the Copperfields and stuff like that, because at least I get to order it. So I got that. And then you can still shop the early access. I don't even know when full access is. Then one of the days was just an announcement. It was introducing Luminous. We got to learn more about it. I'm going to do a video after this video all about Luminous because we did get the scent notes. I just want to talk about Luminous. So I'm going to do that next. And then we got the $12.95 candle sale. That was probably like the best deal, especially if you had like a 25% off coupon, because you got more. I don't think all the candles were included, if I remember correctly. And then the laundry, which got sold out. Apparently this laundry stuff, the laundry detergent and the beads are a lot more popular than I thought because they all got sold out. So that was interesting. And today, I don't even know what's happening today. I think it's just you get the 10 off 30 if you haven't used it. So, I'm not sure what to think. I mean, for their first Member Appreciation Day, I think they offered a lot of stuff. Although the thing that I didn't like is it just didn't feel like it was any better than like a regular day. We got some sneak peeks, we got some lower prices, but they weren't any lower. Like to me, going forward, I would love to see Bath and Body Works do a true member. The thing is, you know, members only. I need the jacket. All you have to do to be a member is like basically download the app. So it's basically for everyone. If you got the app, you're a member. I would have loved to have seen like a candle day price, like maybe a $9.99 candle sale. Something really big. I think the best day this week, which that wasn't even part of Member Appreciation Day, was 50% off Halloween. That was amazing. And it's funny because that kind of made me think, okay, they're willing to go down on Halloween. 50% off that luminary. Oh my gosh, that castle. I paid $250, went down to $125. Like the gold clock, all of this wonderful Halloween stuff. 50% off. So if they can go to 50% off on Halloween, I'm like, why can't we do like $9.99 for the candles? Or they should have done like a $2.95 lotion sale or so. You know, they've done that at Christmas. So that's kind of where I am with Member Appreciation Week. I mean, it wasn't like the worst thing I've seen, but I think it could have been a lot better. And I'm really hoping that they're reading the customer feedback because I think they can do better next year. I think a lot of people are excited about like the, you know, the Luminous coming. I mean, it was nice to see it, but we didn't get like, I mean, did we get any sneak peek? Were they selling a mini perfume unless I missed it? I don't know. Anyway, you know, it is what it is. So let me know what you thought overall of Member Appreciation Week. Was it worth it? Did you shop? Are you waiting? I know Labor Day, they're having a big sale. So I know a lot of people are waiting for Labor Day. So anyway, wild and crazy week. I think it's really ironic. We haven't had a tornado in my neighborhood in my lifetime. I don't remember ever having a tornado where I live. Member Appreciation Week brought a tornado. Oh my goodness. Anyway, thank you so much. I will be back in a few minutes. We're going to talk about Luminous. I'll see you guys then. Bye-bye.